Here I am, and within the reach of my hand, she's sound asleep, and she's sweeter now than the wildest dream could have seen her. And I watch her slipping away, but I know I'll be hunting high and low. There's no end to the lengths I'll go to, hunting high